There's a lot of bugs going around out there. Make sure you stay safe. Peace.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Mr. Samuel Leach.
So guys, if you want to see 170 pip trade over 2 days that makes £137,000, then carry on watching.
Trying to all be profitable with tens of thousands of pounds in the space of 2 weeks.
We've got two guests here. A lot of you guys may know them from the show SAS Who Dares Wins. We have got Foxy, and we've also got Ollie Ollerton as well on the show.
Go through that sort of break point to understand that you have to go through discomfort with anything in life to get any kind of growth.
I absolutely love what you're saying.
So you didn't have anyone like a rich Russian family paying you to spy on his, like, you know, his mistress or his wife or something?
I was actually spying on rich Russians. Seriously.
yeah.
What I've actually achieved this year, out of the blue, got voted into the #1 trader to follow in 2020 by Yahoo Finance. That was a big push for me and a bit of motivation, and to be contacted by investing.com, Thrive Global, Medium, anyone can sign up to it, right? But it's great, built up a nice subscription base now on the news cycles, and there's millions and millions of people that read the investing.com, Thrive Global articles. I've written for Forbes.
You will have tears, you will be upset, there is no doubt about it. There's going to be emotions swinging high and swinging low.
To be honest, like, I don't know about you, but I'm calling it bullshit.
Did you actually take a trade last week on that NHS news, because it never came out?
So today the challenge is that you've got to be catching sheep and bringing it back.
Interesting sheep.
Stupid trade. The fact that I can see you coming over and laughing as well, it's just disrespectful.
It's not my style, it's not working.
He made it seem like it's my fault.
Cheers everyone.
Cheers. Hey guys, welcome back to Raw Influence, and this time we're doing something completely different, as you can see, on set for a change, rather than being in our office. I had the idea that trading Forex is going to save me so much time in life, and that, I'm only going to have to trade like an hour a day, and then I can get on with my day and do whatever. I spend more time on my screens now than I've probably ever done in my entire life, and that's probably because of FX. Today we're going to be talking about Trade of the Week. So this is where, between our community, live traders, we discuss who's made the best trade of the week, and then we'll give you a breakdown of what they've done, how much money they've made, and who they are. So yeah, we're covering the US elections, really looking forward to it. Thank you so much for joining us. We can see on YouTube we are now live.
Yeah, we've already seen over 100 million voters, so that was before election day. So yeah, biggest ever. It's gonna be an interesting evening.
Do you have any personal bets on yourself?
I do, yeah. I've backed Joe Biden, and I've backed Joe Biden to win big.
Really?
And I've been confident about that from the outset.
We're going to be going to Stephen Innes, Chief Global Market Strategist of Axie. Yeah, have you weighed in a blue wave? Well, it's obviously not a blue wave, but a Biden victory, or are you leaning towards that side at the moment? And What does that look like in the markets to you? You know, are you with what's your kind of angle? What are you approaching at this moment?
You know, I think the safest place to be is in equities. I think stocks are going to go higher. They probably won't fly, but they'll go higher. I think that's a relatively safe bet. In my view, the real stimulus package, which is coming down the road, is going to be the vaccine. We can't rule that out. That could possibly be a panacea type game changer here.
You know, as long as they can weather out the sort of the first quarter of 2021. We should start seeing, you know, a little bit more, an uptick in those sort of stocks. Joe Biden wins, I come away with $6.5 profit. If Donald Trump wins, I come away with $10 profit. So either way, whatever happens now, I'm in a great position, a win-win scenario. And who's that?
It's Donald.
Donald. You're gonna laugh as well.
Wait, do you want to know?
And who's the trader for this one?
Can't just say okay, cool.
What am I supposed to say? Well done.
Oh, what else me?
Well, just say, just go to the part winner. Pen.
You're just thinking Donald Duck, aren't you?
No, I'm thinking Donald Trump every time.
Oh, Donald Trump.
Yeah. Now, when we look at pound, as I said previously in the last forecast, which has worked really well for me, so we'll give a throwback to that. We're looking at pound dollar bearish for the week and shorting into spikes. We said that we was bearish on pound and that we'd be shorting into spikes, and especially new spikes around Brexit, that sort of thing, because we expect more negative news to be coming out until Brexit actually takes place. So was right on US dollar yen, was right on pound dollar shorts, and on euro dollar. Unfortunately, we was wrong to the upside, but we didn't get caught out because I wasn't in any positions, luckily. Stay tuned for all this exciting news. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode. Whew. Do I look hot now? Actually, I feel like it's quite a good, could be a new fashion thing. Yeah?